Oh, hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Come with me to this weekend getaway in one of the beautiful cities in Vietnam, Vinh Phúc. See you there. This place is beautiful.
And especially in the one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my God. Guys, look at the bed. Wow. I need to do a room tour for you guys. I really need to do a room tour. Okay, so this is the view of the room. This is my bed over here and my small space over here too. We have a TV and some cute sofa over here and the wardrobe too over here. Wow, now let's see outside. Wow, just look at my bed and over here too. Now let's see what is going outside. Wow, look at the view. Okay, guys, look at the view. Wow, this place is breathtaking. Look. Wow. So I'm here. This is the book that I wanted to read. 48 Laws of Power. I've tried to read this book, but all the time I'm lazy. I don't know. I love to read, but this time around, anytime I take a book to read, I just feel lazy and put it away. So I think I got to like page 3. Yeah, page 3. I go to page 3 and I just dump it some. I'm going to try and read at least till page 10 before I leave here. Yeah, because I'm only spending a night over here. Tomorrow I'll be going to the farm where I'll be trying to like ride the ATV. So initially I wanted to spend the night on the farm. Like they have so many activities, like you can go for ATV ride, you can like walk on the farm, like, you know, a lot of things, swimming. I don't know how to swim, so, but they told me that on weekends they are fully booked. So unless I book a hotel around the farm, so I think from here to the farm is about 12 minutes. Yeah.
I'm just calling to say I am so
It's okay. That's too much. That's too much. That's too much. It's like I'm so happy that I'm doing too much right now. I feel like I'm doing too much right now because this is not usually me. Usually would have been so quiet and just do my thing, but now let's put on those cute accessories. I got this online. It's so cute, like a heart. And I got this ring to pair. It's like, it's also, I got it online. So a heart and this, you know, perfect combi. 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 I'm so happy, honestly. I'm just feeling so good right now. I don't know. It means something. It means that I need to take more trips, more staycations, because this has just raised my spirit, like, and I'm just excited for no reason. That means it's going out, traveling, taking staycations is good for my soul. I don't need to stay at home all weekends, watching movies, doing silly things, watching silly things on my phone. I need to take more trips, more staycations, because this just made my soul just happy. Look at me. Like, I'm just look. Just look at me. Just look. I took a nap, a deep one of course, and I woke up hungry and I ordered some food. This is too much for 125k VND, yeah. It slaps with a Coke. Good morning, guys. It's morning. It's almost 9 o'clock. I need to rush for breakfast. If not, it will be over soon. So. Okay.
Go with us.
I have to.